Welcome to Dream Institute of Technology, and this is the first day of our EV 2016. I will go through the camera and show you our campus, what's going on inside. So please follow me. This is the spray painting that we did. You are never too late. No, sorry. You are never too young to dream big. So this is a nice artwork we have done here. Follow please. Follow me please. So who are you people? You are the college students, right?
Exactly.
And
We are having fun over here, enjoying the EV. Lots of innovation works are here.
okay. We can see that lots of innovation works are going on around here. So please. Who are you?
I'm the chef idea.
Chef idea. So what do you do?
Actually, I cook idea. See the head over here? Beef.
Okay. Give me an idea.
All right. The idea is like, see over here.
Okay.
Now it's summer.
Okay. Yes.
Too much heat.
Yeah.
So you need to carry one umbrella every time.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult, it's harsh, and sometimes you might forget it at home.
Yeah.
Think about like a cap
Okay.
that can fold into a big, huge umbrella. How is that?
Okay. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea. That's innovative.
So
So
listen
for
to
that-
me. That's why I'm giving you one money.
At least I got 2 rupees.
Yo.
Okay, we can see different posters around here. Here is I am an entrepreneur, the devil's business. One more over here, the schedule. The different days we are having: day 1 research, day 2 sketch, day 3 analysis, day 4 prototype, and day 5 is cheers. The celebration we'll do. And this is a good artwork we have done here with nails and strings. EV 2016 Innovative Ideas for a Better World, which is the theme of our EV. And this is done by Team Idea. And this one, giant robot. The giant robot. Acha, come here.
What?
I think that's the arc reactor. That's the arc reactor you have done.
All of these are LED.
Okay.
They will light up.
Can you close up? Can you come forward?
Yeah.
This is the arc reactor, and I can see these LED lights going all through the robot. And I must say, this is a huge, this is a very tall one. And this
You can
is good.
see that. All
Yes.
this is made out of scrap.
Scrap, and all of these are from scrap. The things that we don't use, that we throw out, and all of these are sponge, these are chart papers, LED lights, wires, and everything. Good work, man. It's well done.
It's idea, you know.
And this is a lovely sketch, a lovely painting, I'll say. Can you please focus on this? This is also done by Team Idea. And if we come around here, business innovations for a better world, sustainability by design. So you can see that our students think very differently, very innovatively, so that they can give us a maximum output of different innovative ideas. And I think it's the best we can do. And for this EV, one more thing, innovations for a better world. You can see different paper cuts. Then how will you innovate for a better world? Then you can make a world a better place by making yourself a better person. These are different quotes and different pictures. So moving forward. Okay, you can see there are different posters of a different event, different day, for different days. Want to clear the air? Quit smoking. This is the Team Idea members list, member chart. You can see everyone present here are a part of Team Idea. And this is the Chinese alphabet. Every alphabet that is present in the Chinese language, it can be Cantonese, all of them is present here, right here. And if we go to this side, this is done by B-Plan. This is the different currency of different countries. You can see. This is the dollar, yuan, pound, franc. So come on, let's move forward. If if I can show the whole around, just move the
An
camera.
easy misfield, costing the team 4 runs, 4 vital important runs.
As the theme, I told you that Go Green, Save the World for a better place. So we had
That's the end of the
a
first
new
over.
artwork.
We know the run
We
pace.
planted trees in a bottle in a different way so that we can decorate the things as well as we can plant things for living, actually for oxygen and less carbon dioxide, for less pollution. So this is our food court.
It's a 6,
For healthy
right from the middle of the bat.
food that are good for health. You can see that
The name of the bowler is
people around
Vinay.
here waiting to eat, and they're hungry after doing so much of work. We can see our faculty members all around here. So I would like to talk to sir. So these all food are healthy with good hygiene. Sir, can you please say something about the food court that you have established here?
Yes, basically we believe that any kind of food is healthy. It depends how you are making it, and it depends that actually how you are serving it. If we think that sugar, like it's very bad for health, like the people, those who have got sugar, like blood sugar problems. So, but sugar is also considered to be one of the most essential things in our body. So, if you take it at a very randomly, I mean, at a very high rate, so excessive intake of anything becomes
Harmful for us.
harmful for us. For that reason, we have tried to maintain every possible means to serve our students,
maintain a balanced
maintain
diet.
the balanced diet. That's it. And at the same time, we didn't compromise with the tastes also. That's it. Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Let's move forward.
There's a lot of rules which has to be kept in mind by the bowler before bowling, otherwise it will be a no ball.
Okay, I will show you this one. This is done by
A slow ball, yet
a bee
a
tree,
wide
what
ball.
we call a bee tree. It's have many different sections of the bee plan: implementations, funding, planning, pitching, investment, startup, and we can see there are different notes, different currency notes of different countries.
It's high up in the air, and Amit Gaurav takes the catch, and it's out. Second wicket comes down.
So what we see around it, there is lot many of innovative
There's a
work going on
confusion.
around here by different. These are
Regarding
all
something?
scrap basically. These are scrap, and you can see different posters that our students made.
There's a
Save our
confusion.
planet, plant a tree. Then this is a brain, so finely made. It's like a bulb and a brain, and when it illuminates, the brain works. And if we see here,
There's a confusion which is going on between the umpire and the owners of the.
these are different quotations and make one woman equal to end all the equality
The bowler
between
Nano.
different sexes, males and females.
The bowler
And you
Nano
can
was
see
trying
these
to
all go
outpace
green,
the batsman
green.
by bowling some
Before
balls which
green
was
goes.
fast, by bowling some balls which was
Don't
slow.
stand by, stand up, stand strong, stand together.
We stand by the umpire's decision,
So-
and we are still waiting for the umpire's call.
These are good motivational quotes actually for our students to do something good and to establish themselves for the good of the
May I
future,
know the
for their own
decision of the
good.
umpire?
Moving forward,
Okay, the umpire
as
has
you can
declared
see,
it
our
out,
cricket
and we
tournament
stand
is
by.
already going on. It's in the process, and already we have already said the two teams have already finished. So this is the first semi-final is going on. Okay, so signing up for day one. Cheers.